Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix issue. We cannot create new user in WordPress website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So when we try to create new user, then new user cannot create it. So we are going to fix it. So we are in phpmyadmin. So we are in database. So now you see we have two table, users, user meta. Now select user, so click on it. Now you see all record we have, but you see message current selection does not contain a unique column. So we are going to fix it. If you have any zero record and username, user table, you can delete zero record from SQL. Now go to structure, so click on it. Now you see ID. Now select. First make it primary, so click on it. Now you see ID primary key. Now click on change. So we are going to add auto increment. Now enable this option and then click on save. Now you see table user has been altered successfully. So we added primary key and auto increment for ID. Now you see user meta, so click on it. Again you see current selection does not contain a unique column. If you have zero record for usermeta ID, then delete it. Now go to structure. Now select, make it primary. Now you see your SQL query has been executed. Again click on change. So we are going to add auto increment. Now select and then click on save. Now go to WordPress website again to check new user created or not. So we are in dashboard. On left side you see users. So click on add new user. So we are going to add some record and then click on add new. So click on it. Now you see new user created after fixing user table, user meta table, add primary key, auto increment. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.